Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Kevin here. We're at National Car Rental at Los Angeles Airport. And just a quick reminder, if you want to see more of these videos, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. And we're just going to take a quick look at the executive selection here. We got a Nissan, that's a Nissan Altima, Dodge Challenger. This one's actually got quite a few miles on it. It's from Arizona, it has almost 50,000 miles. Lots of newer cars coming in. We got a Camry, a bunch of these Malibus. And it's great to see. Yeah, we got like 3 or 4 luxuries in the executive aisle here. We got one of these Mercedes. I think this is a GL 330. Sorry, a GLC 300. Yes, I'm getting better with the names of these. This one's license plates are a little bit older, so it might have a few miles on it. And we got an Audi beside us here. Yeah, these Audis are really nice. So this is 25,000 miles on it. Q5. And we got a Malibu, but let's take a look. There's another one over here. BMW. Oh wow, you don't see that very often. Okay, sorry, I don't know how I got over here on the other side. Got an Altima SR on the side here, but let's take a look at this. Yeah, these 5 Series don't show up in the aisle very often. If I was picking up today, I'd probably take it, although I'm guessing if it's in the aisle, it's probably got a lot of miles on it, but let's have a look. BMW 530i. And let's put the sunroof in here. Not sure why the mileage isn't coming up. Oh, there we go. Okay, yeah, 33,000, so it's got a few miles on it. This would be really nice if you're picking up today. Yeah, there you go. All right. And I think I'm gonna actually wrap things up here, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.